Good afternoon. How are you doing today? Today I installed a Laing eco-circulating, auto-circulating pump underneath a sink. The problem they were having in the house, it's such a long run from the water heater to here, they have to wait 2-3 minutes to get hot water. So we installed a eco-circular, auto-circulating pump made by Laing, which is a very good unit, ECM motor, less energy consumption, and it has a timer on it, so they set it for when they wake up in the morning to run for a few hours, and then it's off all day, and then when they come home from work it's on for about 4 hours and shuts off for the night. And what it does, it saves energy and water by getting hot water to the fixture faster, so they don't have to wait. And you want to make your wife happy, this is what to do. She'll be happy for one day and then it'll be over.
Today they're putting in an automatic circulating pump under the sink, and I'm going to let Honest Jardy explain it. Here's you open the box, and there's the pump.
This is a hot water recirculating pump for a tankless water heater. This one's designed for tankless water heaters. This guy right here, this will, okay, we got hot and cold. The hot will come from the water heater. Cold goes back to the cold water line, and these go to the fixture. What it does, it turns on. The pump turns on, it senses that it's, I think it's 95 high, 90 it'll turn the pump on, and it actually, you don't need a dedicated line to return back to the water heater. This actually pumps hot water, it'll suck hot water out of the hot water heater, and it pumps it back into the cold line. And we're going to see how it works. This is the first one I'm putting in. Supposedly they work great.
So right now he's just mounting the bracket for the water.
Did you get a hold? Did he talk to you?
Now he's just putting it right in, clipping it in.
Yeah.
This is what we're using to go from one part to the other part. So we're hooking up the auto circulator, and we're running these lines. I can't get in here. This one goes up into the faucet, and the other one comes down from the faucet. We'll look at this one first. This one comes down
Hot side
into the hot side, the cold side, and this one goes up there to the, and right here goes into your cold water, and this side over here goes into your hot water. Take this thing off. There's a timer in there. All you do is you plug it into a 110 outlet.
The canavers.
Yeah, this is a timer, and if they want to set it for a certain time in the morning.
Okay, the unit is off now.
Yeah.
And then the clock is the timer, and then on is constant. So,
Right.
So we're going to set it to the timer. And it is, I moved it, so we're going to have to reset it.
And you pull them all out so that
You pull the tabs out to
make it work.
Yeah, to make it work. So it's almost 10. So we'll set it on, and the arrow is here. So
Okay.
we're at 10. So we're all set. He wants it from 5 in the morning till 10 or till noon, and then from 3 in the afternoon till 10 o'clock at night.
Right.
And then off. Okay.
That's it.
And it's on now. All right. The reason we put the recirculating pump in is because of the long run. That's at least 80 feet by the time you add up all the piping to get down to the bathroom, and they were wasting probably around. Well, you get one gallon. I think it's 1 gallon of water for half-inch pipe per 100 feet. So you're at least wasting 2 gallons before you have hot water every time you turn the faucet on. All right, this is the tankless water heater that we're using for the recirculating system. That pump is designed for tankless water heaters. This is a Takagi. I don't know the exact THC3 or on that order. 199,000 BTUs it does. So what we're doing now is insulating the hot water lines throughout the house. And this is our last leg of it. And we're done to retain the heat. Because it is quite a long run and it will lose the heat and it'll be running more often. Alright, okay, so the pump, what it actually does, this is designed for tankless water heater, the new style tankless water heaters, all modern, high efficiency. So what it does, it pumps the water from the water heater and then it shoots back in the cold line. You don't need a dedicated line. And it shuts the pump off at 95 degrees and it'll hold it at the pump until it gets to 89.6 degrees. It'll pump it till it gets 80 or 95 degrees, shuts it off, and it'll continuously do that and keep it satisfied. So you do get warm water at the tap. That's it. This is Honest Jardy from Honest Jardy's Plumbing. Have a good day.